Actually, let me put them on order. So we got the C400, we got the C80, and then we got the C70. Got another C400, but I want to show the cages. All the cages are by Wooden Camera. Wooden Camera, top new handles. Love the sturdiness of the handle compared to the older C70 handle. You can see the clear difference right there. C70 still my baby though. Again, the C400, C80, and again, I just love how the handle got beefier and it feels way more sturdy. Here is a double connection, single connection here, just like here, but it's still way more sturdy. Double connection on the plate though. So that's the crucial thing. Here is just one connection, one not here. We have two knockdowns on the plate, so way more secure. And finally, HDMI thing here to keep it clamped down. But yeah, still room for my SDIs to come out. Everything's still smooth, but just want to show you. And then even on my second C400, have the Wooden Camera cage there as well. So one time for Wooden Camera. Shout out to Small HD. Again, I was just doing my overhead shots. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. And yeah, back to this other stuff I go.